If OBS Studio is not opening on Windows, it usually happens due to corrupted files, missing updates, or GPU/driver issues. First, restart your computer to clear temporary system glitches. Try running OBS Studio as administrator by right-clicking the shortcut. If it still does not open, check Task Manager and end any OBS processes that are stuck in the background. Update your graphics drivers because outdated drivers often prevent OBS from launching. Make sure your Windows system is fully updated to avoid compatibility issues. Temporarily disable antivirus software because it can block OBS from starting. Check if any recent plugin or update broke OBS, and remove newly added plugins if needed. Reset OBS settings by deleting the configuration folder in App Data only if necessary. Reinstall OBS Studio completely if the problem continues. Download the latest version again from the official source and install it fresh. These steps will fix most OBS Studio not opening problems on Windows.